welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today's recipe is this baby potato lovely spicy chili recipe, and it's made with a few ingredients, and it can be had as a starter or you can have it as an accompaniment with your meal. So let's jump straight ahead into today's lovely spicy chili baby potatoes recipe. So friends, let's start with today's lovely delicious recipe. So now here I've taken some baby potatoes, about 25 to 30, and I'm going to parboil them till they are just about done. We don't want to overcook the potatoes. So once they're done, you just cut them up with a knife, and if they easily cut, that means they're done. So now you can drain them. And once they come to room temperature, you can just peel them and set them aside. Now once you have peeled them, just take a sharp knife or a fork and just insert the fork and the knife like this and make little incisions. That way whatever spices etc. we add to it, it will nicely flavor the potatoes. Now in a bowl I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of pepper, some salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm going to mix all of this really well, and then I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons of water and make this into a nice thick slurry or paste. Next I'm going to add this paste to the potatoes and coat all the potatoes really well with this slurry or paste. And once they're nicely coated, I'm just taking about 1/4 cup of oil, and I'm just going to fry the potatoes in them till they're nice and golden brown in color and nice and crispy. So fry the potatoes really well till they're nicely cooked and nicely fried. And then we're just going to drain the excess oil on some kitchen towel or napkin. And in this way, fry all the potatoes. So I've used about 25 to 30 potatoes, and that's enough for a family of 4 or for 4 people. And once that is done, we're just going to set them aside to come to room temperature. Now in a pan, I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using the same oil in which I fried the potatoes, but we're just going to use about a tablespoon of oil. And once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of very finely chopped garlic. Fry the garlic a bit. And next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped capsicum. Fry the capsicum well too. Next goes in 1 small onion which I finely chopped. Fry the onion also. We don't want to overcook the onion, but we want it to be nice and crispy. So keep your flame between medium and high and fry the onions well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix the chili powder in well. Next I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce. You can also use Szechuan chutney. So this is the spicy element that we're adding, and of course the garlic and the red chili powder. So you can adjust the red chili powder and the Szechuan sauce according to however spicy you would like it. And now mix everything in well really nicely, and we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Now this is not very spicy, but it adds a lovely flavor to this recipe. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce or soy sauce. Mix that in well. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce too. Even the green chili sauce is not very spicy, but again you can adjust all of these ingredients according to your taste. So mix in everything really nicely. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And mix the vinegar in well too. And now to balance off everything, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. So this will nicely balance up all the flavors. So this is our sauce that is ready. Now we just need to add some salt to taste. And then I'm also going to add a little pepper. So I've taken about just 1/4 teaspoon of pepper because we've already added pepper to the slurry. So just about a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. And now we're going to thicken up this gravy just a little bit. So I've just taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour. To that I've added about 3 tablespoons of water, made a small slurry, and I'm going to add that too. And now mix everything nicely. And we're going to dry this gravy a little bit. And now I'm going to add the fried potatoes into the gravy. And now we're going to mix everything really well. And we're going to cook this till all of this gravy nicely thickens up and coats the potatoes. And I'm going to add some lovely chaat masala, just 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, just to bring out the entire flavor of the dish. And now you can turn the flame off. And now we're just going to garnish it with some lovely fresh coriander leaves that we've chopped finely. And that's it, guys. Our lovely spicy chili baby potatoes are all ready to enjoy. So just dig in and have this. It's amazing. This even goes well with some fried rice too. So wasn't that a lovely recipe? Aren't you just waiting to try your hands on it? Now if you don't get your hands on baby potatoes, you can use small potatoes or medium sized potatoes and then cut them up into halves and then continue with the recipe. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big like by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And also once you have subscribed, click the notification bell and click on all. That way whenever I put up a new recipe, you get a message for the same. Also, I just wanted to bring this to your attention that there are many other channels which have a similar name to mine. Like there's one which is Akshata's Kitchen, there's one which is Akshata's Recipe with a D. So mine is Akshata's Recipe with an apostrophe S. So if you're looking out for any recipe, you type the name of the recipe in the YouTube search button and then you type Akshata's Recipe with an apostrophe S and my recipe will pop up. So that's the easiest way to find me on YouTube. So thank you guys once again and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.